Hi and welcome to episode number 604 with whatsforchild.com. Today we're going to make a batch of delectable coffee cookies so that you can still get your coffee fix even if you don't own a coffee machine. To start, sift 1 kilogram all-purpose or cake flour into your stand mixer bowl, along with 5 milliliters salt and 15 moles of bicarbonate of soda. Place 320 ml of sugar, 400 grams butter, 250 ml golden syrup and 125 ml of espresso in a pot. Place the pot over medium heat and stir the mixture until the butter has melted and all of the sugar has dissolved. Remove the pot from the heat and stir in 5 ml of vanilla extract and then allow the mixture to cool to room temperature. Pour the mixture into your mixing bowl and run the machine until you have a smooth dough. Transfer the dough to a bowl, cover with clingwrap, and allow this to stand overnight at room temperature. The following day, line at least 2 large baking sheets with baking parchment. Scoop out a tablespoonful of the dough, roll it into a ball and place it on the sheet. Flatten the ball and pattern the cookie with the tines of a fork. Make sure to leave at least a ½ inch of space between each cookie as they will rise and spread quite considerably as they bake. Bake the cookies in batches in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for 12 minutes per batch. Remove the cookies from the oven and transfer them to cooling racks. To make the creamy coffee centers, dissolve 3 tablespoons of strong instant coffee in 30 ml of boiling water in a pot. Add 100 ml of full cream milk followed by 375 ml of sugar. And finally 150 grams of butter. Place the pot over medium-high heat and bring it to a boil, stirring regularly. When the mixture starts to boil, allow it to boil quite vigorously for 8 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat, stir in 5 milliliters of vanilla extract and allow the filling to cool to room temperature, stirring regularly. It will thicken to a paste that resembles peanut butter. To assemble the cookies, spread a teaspoonful of the filling over a cookie. Place another cookie on top of this and squeeze the cookies together gently to spread the filling evenly. Continue until all the cookies are complete. Store the cookies in an airtight container if they last long enough to require storage. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again on Sunday.